DLT token is a platform for the future of funding that is built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. It accelerates growth of the startup companies by offering tools and services that save both time and resources. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Expert Studio. Today we are going to discuss each and everything such a great project, Dollar Light, because it is such a great thing because at this time they are offering a free airdrop, and also you have the chance to buy this token directly, and it is already unlisted token. It is available on different exchanges, and also it is available on CoinGecko. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update of crypto market. First of all, here you can see the entire platform of DLT token. Basically, it is, you can say, a new thing, a new, you can say, the new theme of this platform. Investors can use all the major services to divide their investments between various, you can say, the major all services like P2P loans, the crowdfunding, okay, all the things like this. The first version of the DLT allows startups to launch and manage crowdfunding and ICO campaigns. Here you can see it by yourself that right now the DLT price is quite low. In 1 Ethereum you'll be able to collect up to 10,000 DLT token. In June 1, okay, it is basically right now they are giving away about you can say 30% bonus, then 20%, and at the end about 10% bonus. So you have the chance to grab this token at 30% bonus. So what is DLT token? DLT token is a platform for the future of funding that is built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. It accelerates growth of startup companies by offering tools and major services that save both the time and resources. So that is basically the main thing regarding, you can say, the DLT token. And the major, you can say, the theme and the okay, you can also say the services which they are offering is basically P2P loans, insurance, saving deposits. And right now, as I told you, that $100 airdrop is ongoing, so you have the chance to join that one airdrop. I will share that one link in the description. So here you can see each and everything, especially the token structure. It is basically an ERC20 token, so you can easily hold this token in your personal Ethereum wallet address. And here you can see the all the allocations of the token, that 70% distributed to community, 15% reserved funding, 9% only and only 9% for the founders and team, 3% for the advisors, and 3% for the bounty campaign. So that is such a great thing. And also you can see the entire roadmap of the DLT token. So very soon you can see this token on multiple exchanges, and number of IOs will basically start off Dollar Light. So that is a great thing regarding this platform. If you want to contact them and if you want to ask anything, you must have to join their Telegram and also the Twitter, and the team is available for you 24/7. So you can ask whatever you want to ask directly from the team in their personal social media, or you can just basically mail them directly from their main platform dollarlight.com, and you can basically mail them and they are going to answer any type of question of yours. So right now I'm going to show you something more. Right now it is available on ICO Marks. Here you can see it by yourself that right now the major thing is this, that ICO Marks, at this time it basically ranked the DLT token on the high ranking. So that is such a great thing regarding this project. And also it is available on CoinGecko. Here you can see it, and right now the price of one token is about $1.44. And if you want to know something more, you also have the chance. Here you can see it by yourself that you can easily download the white paper and you can read all the things, because they elaborate all the things regarding Dollar Light on their personal white paper. So you can read each and everything, and right now it is also available on the Saturn exchange, and the trading is ongoing. Now I'm going to share such a great airdrop of, you can say, a great airdrop of Dollar Light. So it is entirely very easy for you to join. First of all, you have to click on start, then you just have to join their Telegram groups, and also you have to follow them on the Twitter. After that, you have to click on the submit details, and then you must have to enter your Telegram username, your Twitter username, and at the end you have to enter up your personal MyEther wallet address to receive DLT tokens. and after basically submitting all the details, they are going to give you a referral link, and whenever you are going to refer any friend of yours, you are going to get number of DLT tokens. So that is such a great thing that right now you have the chance to join the free airdrop, and also you must have the chance to buy this token at very low price. You must have to see each and everything on their main platform first of all, and then you will understand and realize the project very well. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.